This is RC News, and today, guys, a man has been caught peeing in the forest. The plant fights back. You've got to see this one.
After a long day of work, I need to finally pee. For some reason, they didn't let me do it in the dumpster. Oh well.
I'm the plant, and I've been peed on for far too long.
Wait, what? You're alive?
And so, these are the grounds where the crime has just taken place. The search will resume in the morning. It is now the next morning at the crime scene. Polaris, can you please give us some more information about this incident?
First, we have some RC car droppings. And, well, due to this evidence being here, obviously, there might be an RC car killer on the loose. So, people, make sure to stay safe inside of your homes. Do not go out until curfew times. Wait, what is that? Pan the camera for a second. What is that over there? Oh my goodness, it's the victim. Well, let's go. Oh shoot! Oh.
Hey, I'm a medic. What do we have here?
Oh, there's this guy that, he was found on the side of the tree and he got mega cooked. Like, he is baked out of his mind. Wait, hold on, I should probably say that. He got absolutely steamrolled over. He steamrolled, the Polaris steamrolled over me. I don't want to get sued. Don't.
I don't want anyone to get sued, so don't worry. I'll let you go. I'm not going to tell anybody about this.
Let's go. All right, just take him to the hospital real quick. We'll fix it right up, okay? Just come over here.
All right, so now that you're safe in the hospital, you have a visitor.
Really? Well, no one's ever visited me before, and my parents left me in an orphanage. Who could it be?
I'm not going to be taken to court as a witness. I'm leaving now. So unfortunately, guys, don't blame us, but we just let the plant get away again.
Oh, help me!
So I think that concludes our days of RC News, and hope you guys have a good day.